If you're like me and aware of the scientific fact that winter still will not start for almost another month, enjoy fall a bit longer and make my pumpkin and goat cheese Danishes, where I show you how to make your own pumpkin jam with just a few simple and cheap ingredients.
Looks like baby food.
It's not baby food. It's human food. And
Babies are human.
Well, you know what I mean. To start, make your pumpkin jam. Cut the top and bottom off one sugar pumpkin and then cut down the middle and quarter it. Using a spoon, scoop out all the seeds and remove the rest of the stringy, gross flesh with a paring knife. Remove the skin from the pumpkin with your chef's knife, and I'm not gonna lie, there's no real easy way to do that. Just use elbow grease and don't let that blade slip. Once the skin is all cut off, cut the pumpkin into small chunks and transfer to a large skillet or saucepan, turn the heat up to medium, and add a half cup of lemon juice, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch each of nutmeg and ground cardamom. Stir it all together until the pumpkin is completely coated, and then cover the cookware with a lid and let simmer on low heat for about half an hour. After that, you should be able to mash the pumpkin into a pulp and be insulted by your mother.
Looks like baby food.
It's not baby food. It's human food. And
Babies are human.
Well, you know what I mean. Keep mashing and stirring for about 10 minutes until you have a baby food-esque consistency, and then transfer it all to a mason jar, seal, and refrigerate for about an hour. Then, taking some puff pastry into perfect squares, take some puff pastry, flatten it out a little bit, and cut them into perfect squares. Fold them then into triangles. Cut them almost to the tip of the triangle, but not all the way. Fold the square back out, add some goat's cheese, optional but delicious, and a little dollop of jam, and fold the corners over to form a diamond. Place all of your Danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius on the middle rack for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, perfect little Danishes for a crisp fall night. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your fall because it's still fall for quite a while.